Hello guys, this is Unscripted. I just received the package from Form Nutrition. It's a really cool vegan protein brand. They have a variety of products such as protein bars, protein powders. They send me products. I'm gonna just show you today what they are, and then in the course of the next couple of days I'll post more about individual products and just give a brief review. But so far, this is very environmentally conscious. Their packaging is fully degradable. They don't use plastic scoops, so you would need to use a spoon. They also third-party tested in Europe, so let's go. So they send me Protein Performance. It's a shake, just individual sachets. Few of them, I believe. And they send me like a pretty big package of chocolate peanuts. I love that one. So these protein bars, I swear by, I use them myself. They're really good, not too sweet, very nice texture. I have two different flavors, chocolate salted caramel and a chocolate peanut butter. They both equally good. And I got a shaker. Look at that. If you're thinking about good protein powder, which got everything in it, like all the essential amino acids, especially leucine for the muscle building, this is your brand. And it tastes good, very good texture of protein shakes, tried them before, and very good texture of protein bars. So yeah, if you're debating which protein powder to go for, I definitely can recommend Form. And I'm gonna do a little tasting. It definitely tastes like tiramisu. It's sweet to my taste, but the texture is great. I would probably definitely use that 100% chocolate powder just to gain the sweetness, but also banana adds pretty nice texture to it. I like it. Probably the best protein shake, or like best protein powder I tasted and tried. Texture is really nice. I usually actually go for more protein powder, like so the sachet had 40 grams, but I usually go for 55. And even if you throw more, the texture is still good, it's still tasty. So yeah, totally recommend. Cheers!